Good morning, class 5. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the steps to prevent fire. How will we prevent fire, or if fire will break out, how will we take care of that? So, in the previous lectures we had discussed about how we can save from fire. Now here we'll discuss that fire will take place and then what will we do. So first of all, we have to consider one thing, that for fire what are the important things should be there for a fire to take place and to continue. What are the things it necessary? The first of all, it needs air, that is oxygen. Remember class, without oxygen anything will not keep burning, or fire will not continue, it will shut down or extinguish. So oxygen is needed, that is air is needed. The second thing is fuel is needed to keep on burning, or to keep the fire continue. It must need some type of fuel. And the third thing is temperature. In class 8 you will learn about the ignition point, that is a point where the temperature will reach to start a fire in any substance, that is called the ignition point. So whatever, that is the senior class, we will discuss about that in the senior class. But now come back. So there are these three things are needed: temperature or heat, fuel, and the third thing is oxygen. Now let's discuss about the different situations which happen in our day-to-day life. So suppose a fire will break down. So first of all, we have to understand what type of fire it is. Is it electric? Is it caused because of electricity? Is it caused because of some fuel like kerosene and petrol? Is it caused because of burning of cloth? Or what type of fire it is? So first of all, let's consider it is an electrical fire. So what will we do? Here we have to be very careful. We cannot use water to put off the fire. We must need some other way, because if we use fire, then electricity will spread throughout the fire. Electricity will spread by the water and fire will keep on continuing. So here we will use sand or mud or a fire extinguisher. So fire extinguisher is a device which is used to extinguish the fire. It may contain some carbon dioxide or some powdery substance. So we use fire extinguisher or mud or sand, but not mud, sand or fire extinguisher, but no amount of moisture or water will be there. The second thing, same, if kerosene or oil, because of kerosene or any type of oil fire will take place, we should not use water, because again it will keep continuing, because we know that the kerosene or the oil is lighter than the water and it will start spreading by the help of water on the upper surface. So fire will spread and it will keep continuing. So here also we use sand or fire extinguisher to stop the fire. So these are the main two ways because of fire will take place. In any other type of fire, like fire because of wood, we can use water. So by pouring water, the temperature will cool down and the temperature will comes down and the fire will extinguished. Suppose if water is not available, then we can use sand. So by throwing sand on the wood, burning wood, what will happen? It will cover the area, or the water will cover the upper surface of the wood and it will cut the connection from the air. So it will not get oxygen and the fire will fire will get down, and temperature is also becomes low, so fire will stop. Suppose if a person doing some work because with fire, or playing with firecrackers, and the clothes will catch fire. In that case, we should not run from one place to other place. Because if you run, it will get more and more air or oxygen, and the fire will becomes more dangerous. So what we will do here, we just take the person and tell him to roll on the ground. This will help the fire to extinguish. Or if we have some cloth like blanket, towel, thick cloth, blanket, towel, or rags also help us. So cover the person with the rags. So this is how we can control or prevent fire. But if fire outbreak is more not controllable by us, if we are not able to control the fire, then we will dial 101 or some other number to call the fire brigades, and they are highly trained professionals to control different types of fire. They will come and they will help you. So class, I hope you are able to understand that how we are able to prevent fire accidents. So class, if any problem, ask me. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.